Hello everyone, this is Carlos Touch of Class Painting, and here is the final product of your bathroom that had a stand-up shower. I ripped it out, a pan was installed, I put new tiles, 3 different types of tiles, and I made a box here for the shampoo or for whatever they want to put there. Put the bow nose nice and tight to the sheetrock. So all the owner has to do is just paint the ceiling. Very, very nice. I'm very happy with the final product. Again, if you like my video, you can hit like. You can follow me on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and until the next one.